2005 Chrysler Town & Country Touring, changing the turn signal light in the rear. Got a turn signal that's not working. The front one is flashing very fast. Back one is not coming on. Here's a normal speed on the left turn. On the right, however, much faster. Nothing going on back here. Up in the front, flashing very fast. It's pretty easy to replace these. Just want to get a screwdriver down in here. I'm going to pop these out. Once those two are popped out, this whole assembly will come out. A tool like this is really handy for getting down in here, getting a little leverage, pulling that out. Getting a little leverage, getting that to pull out. Try not to snap the head off, but that's how far they come back out. If they come all the way out, it's not going to hurt anything. Let's go ahead and take them all the way out. Then this entire assembly will come loose. And there's your socket in there. You can see it's hinged up in the front there. You've got your typical Chrysler red safety clip. Get your screwdriver in here, pry that out. You got that red clip popped out about that much. Squeeze down here, wiggle and pull. Now you can take this entire assembly out, work on it on the bench. If you didn't want to do that, I think you could change these without disconnecting that wire, but makes it easier to get it over somewhere you can work on it. That upper one is the reverse light. That's not the one that's gone bad. It's this one. Need to get a screwdriver right in here. Kind of push that clip in. Kind of do the same thing back in here. That one snapped back in on me. It's going to take two hands to kind of get both of these pushed in. And then it will come out. Replace the bulb with the proper one. Reverse the assembly. This is a 3057K. If you want to put a little bulb grease on there, that's great. Maybe a little on these contacts here by my thumb. Don't need much, but doesn't hurt anything. Nothing fancy about this, just hold it and pull. Put the new one back in, snaps in there, pulls right out. Okay, if we're getting ready to put it back in, go ahead and snap your connector in there, push the red clip over to the lock position, put the hinged end in there, push it on over to here, then put your two clips back in there, push them in, lock it in place, and you're done. Ready to go. Everything's done.